If you are watching this video right now, then you are probably wondering why your blog is not making you money. Meanwhile, you started a blog in a quest to make money, right? Yeah, that is it, because we all started blogging to make money. Like me, I've been doing blogging for 5 years since I graduated from college. Blog has been my only work, and that's what I've been doing for 5 solid years right now, and that's what I live on, and everything I have to do is from blogging. And you can also do this regarding the fact that you are able to highlight these 5 mistakes that I'm going to tell you in this video, so that you also start making money from your blog. Because in recent time, a lot of people have been complaining to me that they've been doing blogging 1 year, 2 years, 3 years plus, yet they are not making any good amount of money off blogging. But I would just be like, how can you say you've been blogging for a year plus and not make any money from your blog when you are applying the right knowledge you learned on YouTube? But then I noticed that there are some 5 common mistakes that you think you are avoiding, but you might be doing in any other ways to actually prevent you from making money blogging. And those are the things I'm here to share with you, and also give you some advice on how you can avoid them so you start making money from your blog today. So hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Perez Tech. On this channel, I share all my blogging experience and other ways in which you can make money on the internet. So if this sounds like you, why not smash on that subscribe button, like this video, tell me what you feel down in the comment section. So with that already said, let's get straight into today's video. Let me share with you a practical step-by-step instruction that you can start implementing on your blog today to start making money from it, because your blog is what should give you money, not blogging and also doing 9-to-5 job. It doesn't work that way. So without doing more, let's get straight into today's video. Let me share with you these things you need to stop doing so you can start making money from your blog. As much as there are several reasons why you might not be making money from your blog, these 5 are the key goldmans that will actually prevent you from making the kind of money you wish to make from your blog. So talking about the reason why you are not making money from your blog, the first one is that you don't have a clear plan for your blog. So this one, like, this is common, it's even common among people who have been in the blogging industry for 5 years, planning to kickstart a different blog. Because a lot of people, when they come into blogging, they just be like, okay, so to start blogging, all I need to do is that get a website, start creating content, and then get AdSense approval and start making money. And this is totally wrong. Before you even kickstart setting up your website and the rest, make sure you are able to draft a clear blogging plan. Like, okay, so every week, I'm going to create this amount of content. I'm going to spend these hours on my blog. I'm going to spend these hours promoting my content. And I'm going to spend these hours working on my monetization strategy. This is how you get to plan your blog. So every single week, you plan out whatever thing you're going to do in your blog so that you'll be able to walk in the right path to make money. So when it comes to blogging, it's not all about the number of content you create. No. As much as content is very important, but it's not always about the number of content. Like on my blog, I've been operating pereztech.com since December 2021, and we are in August 2023, and I don't have up to 100 blog posts there. Though they were above 100, I deleted a lot of them, and now I'm left around 87 blog posts on the website. Yet these articles are still generating me a lot of money, giving me a lot of clients, and still making me the same amount of money I've been making before. This is when I came to realize that a lot of big mistakes we all make is that we spend more time creating content on our blog, so we don't have a clear plan on how we can actually make money from our blog. So if you are a new beginner yet to get started with blogging, our advice is that before you even start planning where to go and buy your hosting, your domain name, what to use as your domain name, first of all, take a week or more, sit down, draft a blogging plan that you want to follow. If you don't have a blogging plan, you can simply go on YouTube, or come on YouTube here, or go on Google or any search engine at all and simply type blogging plan to success. You are going to see a lot of free roadmap that you can actually grab to start planning your blog in the right way to make money from it. Like, I'm a full-time blogger. Even as you speak, I'm yet to start a different blog again, since I'm converting pereztech.com to an agency website, because I've currently registered my business as an agency. So I'm converting pereztech.com into an agency and not just a random blog. I'm here to set up a different blog in a different niche again, so that I can also start making money from it. And I'll be sharing that blogging journey here on this YouTube channel. So if you don't want to miss out, do it to smash on that subscribe button so you don't miss out on that blogging journey that we are about to start. So that's the first point here. Simply make a clear plan on how you want to start your blog and how you want to make money from it, and make sure that that strategy works perfectly well for others before you start utilizing it. So that is the point number 1 here. Simply make sure you have a clear plan before you start blogging so you can make money from blogging. So the second point is simply you are not investing in your blog. So just like every other business out there, just like every other thing you do out there, you need to invest in your blog if you really want to make money. So when I bring the idea of investing in your blog, I'm not saying you should pay experts to handle your blog. No, this is simply getting some necessary things you need to make your blog a success. Like when I started my blog, at first I didn't have any money to invest because I was at the age of 16 when I started blogging. So I didn't have much money to invest. So what I necessarily did was that after I started making some few money offering my digital services, because I'm a graphic designer, UI, UX designer, and the rest. So when I started making money from other side hustles, I tend to invest them into my blog to make my blog success. And after my blog generated my first $100 for me, like the first $100 I made from my blogging, that was back in, I can't even recall anymore. What I did with the money was that I invested the whole money to get some quality services done on my website, like optimizing my website both on and off page by getting some necessary tools like SEMrush. Though I did not get it directly from the official website, I got it as a group buy because they offer group buying options. So I was able to get those tools as group buy, and then gradually got some necessary things that I need to make my blog success. Got some premium and nicely looking themes and the plugins to make sure that I get to design my website or use the right information to make my website success, get a good web hosting provider for my website. These are the things I actually did. And when I started investing this little cash that I was having into my blog, I started seeing some success coming from the blog. And this is really important too. If you really want to make money from your blog, it's not just about creating content, promoting content. Try investing money in it. And when I talk about investing money, I'm not just limiting you to tools alone. Other places you can invest money in your blog is simply running social media ads, running Google ads, or probably you can also invest money into educational resources into your blog. Like when you come on YouTube, as much as there are millions to billions of videos on YouTube talking about blogging, not every single information you can find here about blogging. That's why bloggers create ebooks, video courses to actually educate you more on the key insiders, things you need to know about blogging so you can start making money from your blog the right way. So our advice is start investing into educational resources to educate yourself more about blogging. Like I read blogging books, I take online courses, like I watch YouTube videos a lot, despite the fact that I'm also sharing my own experience here with you. I watch YouTube videos a lot to also learn more about blogging because I cannot know everything. And if I stop learning today, I will run out of ideas because every single day, new updates are rolling out, new informations are coming in, new tools are coming into the industry. And you won't be the first person to know about those tools. And you won't be able to get the right idea of all those tools if you don't learn from people who are already in it. So whilst you are learning from them, building your own experience, you get to build a wall around you that will also get you a way ahead of most bloggers in the industry. So that's about the second point, is simply not investing into your blog. So if you are thinking about one of the best ebooks to buy if you want to start blogging, then I'm going to recommend my own book to you called My Blogging Blueprint. Yeah, in that book I share my full experience on how I started blogging with $0 into my account and started making cool cash every single month, like month in, month out. I rocking a lot of figures that get to put my life in the way I actually need it. So that's about the second point. And if you want to get the ebook, you can see it displaying on the screen right now. The URL will be down in the video description. So do well to check it out so you get it for yourself. It costs very less because I made it very affordable to all my audience to actually purchase. So now let's move to the point number 3 on why you are actually not making money from your blog. So the third reason why you are probably not making money from your blog is simply because you are not treating your blog like a business. You are probably treating your blog like a hobby. So as much as there's this advice going on that I've also given a lot of people that don't blog for money, but take blogging as a hobby, and your hobby is going to make you money, or blog for passion. Yes, as much as you want to blog for passion, there's this rule that I always have in my life, that any single thing I'm passionate about, I make sure that it's actually generating me money. Like any single topic I find myself passionate about, things I love doing day in, day out, I make sure to sit down, find a way to actually make money from it. And this is the advice I'm also going to give to you. As much as you want to blog for passion or take it as an hobby, our advice is also find a way to actually make money from it, and that is by turning your blog into a business. So when I say turning your blog into a business, it doesn't mean you should turn it into an agency website like mine, because I turned mine into an agency website not just because that's the only way to make it a business. No, I turned to an agency website because Perez Tech has been registered as an agency, and I offer digital services such as graphic design, social media management, UI and UX design. Those are services I also offer. So if you need someone, you can there get my emails down in the video description. So putting that aside, so before you can start making money from your blog, treat it like a business. Set business hours. Okay, so every single day you are going to spend these hours working on your blog. And when it comes to setting business hours, every business out there, every business operating out there have specific things they do every specific hour to make sure that they put their blog in a success lane. And these are the things you need to practice a lot of time. So set your business hours. So okay, a week you are going to spend 10 to 15 hours or more than that on your blog. Okay, you've agreed that. So how are you going to spread that hours in a week? So let me say you want to spend up to, let me say, out of the 15 hours, creating content to take more of your time. So let me say you are dedicating 5 to 6 hours to create one blog post a week. Now you've portioned that part. Now you need to set that apart again to also promote your content. And then whilst promoting your content, you need to know how you are going to monetize the content. So this is the only thing. So once you are able to know the hours you spend working on your blog creating content, the hours you spend promoting the content, and the hours you are going to spend actually monetizing the blog, working on your monetization strategy, this come together, give you that business circle that you need to make your blog a success. So that is about the third point on my list. Actually, treat your blog like a business, set out business hours, and make sure you stick to those business hours like you are operating a 9 to 5 business. And then you are going to see this result coming out of your blog. Trust me, this one thing I did when I didn't have any money to invest. What I did was that to dedicate more time. Since I did not have money to invest in it, I need to dedicate more time into it to make sure that it goes the way I actually want it. So hope you find this point helpful. So we are more than halfway gone. Why not smash that subscribe button, and then let's get into the fourth reason why you're actually not making money from your blog. And at the very end of this video, we're going to give you some key advice that will actually change your blogging mindset and make sure that it puts you in the right side to actually make money from your blog. So the point number 4 here is simply you are not generating any valuable traffic. So this one thing I see that a lot of bloggers actually get misplaced when they are starting their blog, because when a lot of people come here, they ask me that how can I drive traffic to my website? How can I drive traffic to my website? They'll be like, okay, then I'll share some video strategies, and the rest they'll be like, okay, this strategy is giving me traffic, but it's not giving me as much traffic as I want. Here is a big problem. When I come here to share website traffic strategy with you, I'm not sharing traffic strategy that will bombard your website with traffic, but I'm sharing with you strategies that will give you valuable traffic. This is one thing you need to know. Understand the importance of quality over quantity. Because you might have 10,000 page views in a single day, like 100,000 page views in a single day, yet someone who had only 1,500, 300 page views might be making up to $200, $300 per single day from his blog. Why? This is because the traffic coming to your website are not of any quality, but that person is spending more of his time generating quality traffic. Like here that I am now, if I want to secure 100,000 page views to my blog, like it's not anything difficult for me to do. I can simply use social media or even use black hat strategy to pull a lot of traffic to my website right now. But the problem is that are they going to be valuable traffic? And the answer is no. They are not going to be valuable traffic in any way. You don't expect a website of less than 3 years, 4 years to start pulling in hundreds of thousands of page views when you don't have email lists, you don't have any clear social media branding to actually prove to people that, okay, this is my social media audience, like this is my content, this is my website, I want you all to be visiting whenever I share content. So when it comes over to generating traffic, our advice is spend more time figuring out how you are going to generate quality traffic rather than how you are going to drive millions of traffic to your website. So that is about the fourth point on my list, is simply focus more on generating quality traffic. And when I talk about quality traffic, these are traffic that, one, they will generate you a lot of affiliate revenue, sponsorship deals, or probably get you into a better shape on how you can make your blog a more successful way. And then not generating traffic that will just come and bombard your whole website. Like they will just visit, nothing of valuable to them, they just visit the website, they bomb off all those ones. So spend more time on generating quality traffic than generating quantity of traffic. So that is about the fourth point on my list, is simply prioritize the importance of quality over quantity when it comes to traffic. So now let's move to the final tip on this video, and that final tip might be the main problem why you are actually not making money from your blog. So the final reason why you are probably not making money from your blog, which could be the main reason you are not making money, is simply wrong monetization strategy. So what do I mean by wrong monetization strategy? Like every single niche out there have their perfect way of monetizing their blog. Like take a look at my website perestech.com for an example. Perestech.com is all about tips on how you can grow your blog, grow your business, and the other both online and offline business. So now that sort of industry is not an industry whereby I'm expecting to make millions of dollars or hundreds of thousands of dollars from ad revenue. Why? This is because it's not that it cannot generate me, it can, but then I don't have to put my whole trust in there, because people who are searching for such type of content, one, they are not much, they are only business owners who are looking forward to upscale their business that will require those tips. So the only way I can make more money from such websites is one, through affiliate revenue, secondly through sponsorship deal, and thirdly through mentorship. Those are the best ways I can make money from my niche. So when you get started into blogging, take your time, sit down and ask yourself, am I really going to make a lot of money from this niche using this monetization strategy? As much as ad revenue is paying every single niche, the revenue is not the same in any single niche, because ad revenue has to deal with quantity of traffic. And that means you have to pull in a lot of traffic every single day to actually make some decent amount of money at the end of the month. And that's like a waste of time. Meanwhile, a niche like mine, a single deal in a niche like mine can shut down your whole yearly ad revenue. Like a single deal cannot shut down the total money you're going to make at a full year as a 1 month deal in my niche. And this is really simple and easy to do when you know your way around. So before you pick a niche, any niche to blog, figure out the right monetization strategy. So if you find yourself in a niche whereby you know traffic is not a must, like you're not going to get a lot of traffic, look for services to offer. And in that way, you're going to make more money with less traffic. So hope you find these 5 things helpful. And talking of the bonus I promised to give to you, here is it. There are a lot of ways in which you can monetize your blog. We have offering of digital services, promoting affiliate offers, looking for sponsorship deals, or creating content that will give you sponsorship deals, and then finally offering mentorship or coaching services, mentorship or consultant services. And for ad revenue, I don't really classify ad revenue as a good way to make money online. This doesn't mean it's not a good way. It's a good way to make money online, but I can't really classify it as one of the key ways you can make money from your blog, unless you find yourself in the entertainment niche. And because people in the entertainment niche necessarily don't care about user experience, they don't care about how users feel when they visit their website, because they know that when you are coming, you are there to download either a video, watch a video, or simply download music or all those stuff. So they don't really care about how their interface looks. So they can flood their whole website with ads, like pop-up ads, pop-under, redirect ads. They don't really care. So but you in a different sort of niche, in a standard niche, you cannot do that. So this one thing I would advise you to do is that take your time, pick out the best monetization strategy that works with your industry, and then make sure you nail it down and start working on it. Hope you find this video helpful. So if so, don't forget to share this video with your colleagues and also smash that subscribe button. Without any said, have a nice day. Bye.